Wait. This tiny tool just changed my whole workflow. Seriously, the interface looks clean, dark, and instantly powerful. This is Keyshift AI from AppSumo. It's built to work inside every app on Windows and Mac, and that alone already caught my attention, because I write across docs, chats, emails, and browsers daily. Opening it feels like finding a hidden productivity cheat code. The Quick Actions panel is the star here. One click and it rewrites text fast. Another click and it translates without leaving the app. And yes, it summarizes long content surprisingly well. That means less copying, pasting, and switching tabs. For writers, that's a huge time saver. For professionals, it removes a lot of repetitive effort. For productivity users, it feels immediately useful. I tested it in emails, notes, and chat windows. It worked smoothly almost everywhere I tried. That universal compatibility is honestly the biggest win. No awkward workflow changes, no extra clutter. Just highlight, trigger, and keep moving. The speed makes the experience feel effortless. It turns small tasks into one-click actions, and that adds up fast during a busy day. I also liked how polished the output looks. The rewrites sound more natural than expected. The summaries stay clear and easy to scan. Translations feel practical for real work, not gimmicky. That matters when you're using it professionally. There's also a workflow automation feel to it. It's not just writing help. It organizes actions into structured, usable results. That makes it more flexible than basic AI tools. I could see support teams using this daily. Creators would love the speed for repurposing content. Developers and power users would appreciate the shortcuts. Even merchants and office teams could benefit, because repetitive text work never really goes away. The dark mode UI also feels modern and focused. No distractions, just a clean productivity space. The keyboard-first setup makes it feel fast right away. And the voice features are a nice bonus. You can record, review, and turn speech into text. Then refine it and run quick actions on top. That makes meetings and voice notes way more usable. I like tools that save time without extra learning. This one does that really well. It feels practical from the first session. It doesn't try to do too much. Instead, it focuses on the exact friction points. Write, translate, summarize, and move on. That simplicity is why it stands out. And honestly, that's what makes it valuable. If you write a lot, this is worth a look. If you work in multiple apps, even more so. If you hate breaking focus, definitely check it out. Keyshift AI makes everyday text work feel easier. It's one of those tools you start using constantly. Then you wonder how you managed without it. For me, that's the strongest recommendation. It's useful, fast, and genuinely workflow-friendly. If you want smarter writing on Windows and Mac, this delivers. If you want AI shortcuts in any app, this delivers. If you want more output with less effort, this delivers. I'd call that a solid productivity buy. So yeah, I'm impressed. Go check the AppSumo deal while it's still available, because tools like this make busy days noticeably easier. And this one actually feels built for real work. Simple, sharp, and surprisingly powerful. Keyshift AI is worth your attention, especially if speed matters in your daily writing. That's the kind of upgrade you feel immediately, and it's exactly why I'd recommend it. Smarter text, less friction, more done. That's the whole appeal here, and honestly, it's a good one.